When there's a leak between the air vessel and the coupler, remove the coupler. Inspect the D-ring as well as the threads on the air vessel. Inspect the coupler and the threads of the inside of the coupler. If any of the parts are damaged, replace them. For reassembly, put the D-ring back into its position. The flat side towards the air vessel. Make sure it's completely pushed back into its position. Place the nipple and the coupler back and screw the coupler back onto the air vessel. Test if the nipple is still moving. Continue to tighten.